I think just showing up and working hard, right? And that's one thing that is missing, I think, in our industry, because maybe they see all these shows right now on TV, reality shows. It's so glamorous. It's so going out there, you know, being the life of the company or a party, and then you get these $1 million listings, right, or $10 million listings. At the end of the day, in the initial stages of your real estate career or any business, it's a grind. You got to show up. You got to work hard. You got to have a consistency. You got to be able to trust the process. Even though you're seeing it and it's not working, for example, you got to be able to trust it and disattach yourself from the results. And that takes weeks, that takes months. I remember my first commission check was not until month number 6, but every day I would put in the time, I would put in the effort, I would get rejected, but I was still doing it. Why? Because I had that drive in me to do it. Like, I want to succeed. I want to earn a living. I have 3 kids under age of 5. My daycare bill alone was $2,100. I had to succeed. There was no plan B.